Looking for the ultimate 3D model generator that's not only powerful, but also free? Well, I think I just found one of the best out there, and it's called Hunyuan 3D. It's surprisingly tricky to find on Google, so use the link in the description or simply type 3d.hunyuan.tens.com directly into your browser's address bar. The site is in Chinese, but don't worry, just use Google Translate in Chrome for easy navigation. Click on Login, and since I don't use Chinese social platforms, I'm signing up with my email. Enter your email address, request the verification code, and paste it in to get started. Next, click Application Experience to access the service. Right away, you're gifted with 20 free generations per day, and if you're generating 3D models from text, that number jumps up to 80 models daily. Now here's the fun part. You've got two powerful options. Tencent 3D, which turns your text into full 3D models. And Touching 3D, which uses image references to create your model. Let's start with text-based generation. Make sure to clearly describe what you want, like the object, details, and style. I am going with a cartoonish frog. There are 6 texture styles to pick from. I'm choosing cartoon. The model takes a few minutes to render, but here's the cool part. You get 4 variations from one prompt, and it only counts as one generation. Click any version to preview it from multiple angles and save it to your device. The texture quality is impressive, smooth surfaces, consistent colors, and only minor imperfections like slightly off eyes. You can toggle off PBR and texture maps to view the raw shape, or select albedo to view the texture without lighting. There's also a normal map, and you can download everything in multiple formats, even as a GIF with a transparent background or a rotating video. Let's try another example. This time, I'm generating a Santa Claus sitting on the ground. I left the texture style as general to see how it handles a more neutral tone. Keep in mind, models here tend to be at least slightly stylized, even if you aim for realism. The first version had a foot placement issue, but overall, you get multiple variations, so you can always pick the best one. Alright, let's shift gears and try image-based generation with Touching 3D. I'm using a single low-resolution reference image. Even with just one small picture, the output isn't terrible, but the details are clearly lacking, especially in the eyes and finer elements like the bat. To show you the difference, I'll upscale that image using Recraft AI, a free tool I've mentioned in previous videos. After signing up, go to the Insert menu, upload your image, up to 3 per day on a free account, and use Crisp Upscale to enlarge it 4x while improving quality. My original image had a transparent background, but the upscale added white, so I used the Remove Background option before saving. Now let's use that enhanced image in Hunyuan 3D. And the result? Way better. The model looks smoother, cleaner, and way more polished. So yes, the better your reference image, the better your 3D model. Here's another test, a side view image of a red teddy bear. Not bad, but still limited by the single angle. So I switched to the multiple images option. This lets you upload front, rear, left, and right views, or at least 2 or 3 if you don't have all sides. With multiple references, the model and texture quality jumped up significantly. Suddenly, details like shirts, ties, or hoods, which were invisible in the side image, are now clearly represented. And that's why multi-view reference generation is a total game changer. If this video helped you discover a powerful new tool, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. More game-changing AI tools and creative hacks are coming your way, so stay tuned.